Hi friends, welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today I am making a tuna salad. Okay, boil your water. Don't forget to add the salt. Okay. I normally use the elbow macaroni, but today I want to use the rotini noodles. Get your water boiling, as that is. Dump in your noodles. When these are done, strain them. Okay, the noodles are done. Drain them and let them cool down. Okay, friends, my noodles are done and they're drained. I'm starting in this bowl 3 small cans of tuna. This is 1 small tomato, a half of a small medium, half of a medium onion. All right. And then I have to rinse this spoon off. Okay. Just did not want to stick, it had tuna on it, and I didn't want to stick it in my mayonnaise. Okay. So use your favorite mayonnaise or salad dressing. And I'm just going to big scoop. That looks good. So this looks like 1.5 cups, I'm going to say. Then grab your other spoon. And then just mix this together. Go ahead and add your salt. And on this particular salad, I really like quite a bit of pepper. And you want to stir that up. Add your noodles. And mix that up. Okay, so I have to put it in another bowl because I am going camping and I'm taking this with me. This is my salad that I'm taking camping. I have been cooking this salad for over 20 years, since I was a very young adult in my early 20s, and I am 61 now. So they love this salad. And just a tip, if you don't like onions, leave them out, or the tomatoes, if you really like them, add more. I mean, because that's what I do. I love onions. And then, with your mayo or your salad dressing, do whichever you want and add however much you like. When you put this in a refrigerator, I feel when you take it out, it seems a little bit drier, so I like to use a bit extra mayo or salad dressing. I have done it both ways, and both ways taste fantastic. I wanted to get a little bit of... This is my first time using the spiral noodles, though. That's fabulous. Okay, so now I think I'm going to switch up my game and leave the elbow noodles and start using these spiral noodles. That was really good. I like the way the dressing holds on to the noodle. It tastes really, really good. Okay, friends. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And most of all, friends, keep cooking. And I love you all.